Now we want to track orders purchase. So for order purchase we need to enable cash on delivery, or any we need we need to add any testing order placement. For testing order we go to WooCommerce settings, and then payments. I am going to enable cash on delivery option. By that we can place testing order, cash on delivery select, and we can also add this check payment. Save this. By this we can place any testing order. So for tracking order purchase we need testing order. Save and copy this. Name of your company, rules of my trade, size US, street address. So these information for test order. So here is also test. Shipping 30 minutes. Check payment. So, and now place the order. If we want to place order, so we need to place any testing order for track orders. So order is completed. Here should be an order completion event. This is due to plugin that we added for Tag Manager, and by this we can track this data. So order data. Here is the order number and order price and many data layer. By that plugin, WordPress plugin that we already added. So we just need to copy this event and go to Tag Manager. Event name is a purchase order. Select event name for purchase order purchase. Select click text. No, we not need this text. Here we need if we want to track this URL for order complete. Here's the order ID and order key and URL. So we just need to select here, from here action is a page URL. By this we can track that order. Select Google Analytics, go to triggers, add a new trigger, that is a custom event. We copy that event name, this one, just copy this and paste here. Purchase. This event only fire after order completion. So by this we can track order purchase orders correctly at Google Analytics. So refresh this. By this tag manager plugin, we can track correct events at Facebook Pixel also. We can also track correct pixels at events and conversions at Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel. For Facebook Pixel, I will discuss later. So I added this tag, purchase tag, and go to admin. Now we need to add goal conversion for purchase order. Go to goals. New goal. Custom. This is the purchase order goal. Name event. Select the event. Continue and go to this. Copy the category name. Copy this category name and paste here. Save it. By this we can track order purchase. Now go to real time events. So this is the third. These are events are fired already. Proceed to check and check out. These are the button text names and conversions. 3 conversions all created, but 2 are already tracking setup, and we just added this conversion goal. So we need to again order for testing order for track order purchase at any WordPress website. Okay, I am going to show you another way of tracking for these. Just go to click here, add to cart again, and cart, then checkout. These are tags are firing. You can see at below. We created 4 tags, one for place, purchase order, checkout, add to cart. Again, testing these data, and our shipping address should be same. Now check payment and now place the order. We will check that our purchase order tag is working and firing correctly or not. Yes, it's absolutely. This is working fine. So we can check at analytics, go to events. First we will check event. Yes, these are events we just click now. First we click add to cart, then checkout, and then order purchase. We can check here last 30 minutes all events. Last 30 minutes 3 events are add to cart and 2 events are checkout and 1 events for proceed to checkout and 1 purchase event. And for conversions,